1.10, we're going to be talking about lines. Okay, by and large, this is something that you guys have dealt with before, and it shouldn't be a problem. There's some important consideration too, though. Slope is a rate of change. This is a very important concept. And we go back to algebra 1, it's rise over run, delta y over delta x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, that gets you your slope. All right, there are three forms of linear equations. The one you're most used to dealing with is slope-intercept, which is y equals mx plus b, and this will be the one we will probably use the least in this course. The other one is point slope, y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, where x1, y1 are a point on the line, and m obviously is your slope. The other one we'll deal with is standard form. This is one we'll probably deal with most. This will show up when we deal with systems and matrices. The standard is ax plus by plus c equals 0. Sometimes you see the c written over here. A, b, and c are integers, and a is a positive number. Okay, to graph a line that's in standard, it's in ax plus by plus c equals 0. The important thing to do here is to find x and y intercepts. And we talked about these. X-intercept, so y equals to 0. Just going to get rid of this term. Solve for x. Y-intercept, you set x equals to 0, which would get rid of this term, and then you solve that for y, and it gives you x and y intercepts. Now you've got 2 points, one on the x-axis, one on the y-axis. To get the line, you connect the dots. Okay, some Algebra 1 review you're going to need to remember. Parallel lines. Slopes are equal. Or slope of line 1 equals the slope of line 2. Perpendicular lines. The slopes are negative reciprocals. Or m1 equals negative 1 over m2. Okay, part of what you're going to be dealing with here is in word problems, and you're going to need to set up these linear equations. In your word problems, it's going to make life a lot easier for you. Identify very quickly in your problem from the words that they use the rate of change. And if you remember, the rate of change is your slope. And that gives you a big part of your equation right there if you've got slope. Okay, somewhere or other they should also give you a point, in which case you can plug the thing into point slope and you've got your equation. But your first step, always, 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 always in these, is to identify by reading this thing which part of these is your rate of change.